Hello again. Got another little doodad today. My wife wants some shelving back here in this corner beside this cabinet. So I've kind of got a plan figured out to put some short shelving on the end of there. I had some glued maple boards and I cut those into some links that are going on there, and I'll bring you guys along so you can check it out. What I got going is I had a piece of this glued maple here that was 18 inches wide. I kind of want to stagger the shelving up, so I cut one at 8, one at 6, leaves me with one at 4, and I will stagger those up the wall there, up that cabinet. I'm going to round off these corners a little bit. I'm going to use the router there to put a detail on the bottom side of those shelving, and we'll stain that to match the cabinet and poly those, and we'll get them put up there. Here are my shelving pieces drying. I got them all stained, got them ready to go, and I also cut these small pieces of shoe here. That's what I'm going to hold the other end of the cabinet up with, and I'll take you inside to show you how I'm going to hold them up there. To show you what I got going on here, I got a laser set up on the table over here, and what I'm going to do is line that top cabinet up with that split in that cabinet, and I've got some marks over here. They're going to go every 14 inches down and get shorter progressively. So I'll set that up, show that process, but basically I'll set my level where I need it. Drill some holes in this cabinet so that I can attach that shelving. just like that, another doodad, complete. There's their shelving. Put some little cleats underneath there on the wall because I know there's a stud right there. Looks like it belongs there, and be great for all kinds of little sit pretties. One more doodad, all done. Thanks for watching.